Today guys, we have the ERICKHILL EMF Reader. It's the ER02. It's mostly made out of hard, durable ABS plastic, but it is also covered in various places with a rubberized, textured, grippy, drop-resistant material. That's good. As we do power it on, nope, it doesn't require batteries, because it does however have a rechargeable built-in one. To charge it, it will require that stated micro USB charge cable that is provided. But one thing we do have is a super clear display. Now you can change that display to a nighttime mode, and you can also adapt the brightness and backlight. You've also got a sound mode too, that, for example, when we do hover this EMF reader over this internet modem, it will alert you of that said reading. And not only that, if you use that graph option, you will then again be able to analyse more of the information clearly. Now you can switch between RF, electric and magnetic modes by tapping the mode button. But here's how the whole thing works. Now in normal everyday circumstances, you might be walking around your home and you might experience some pickup of radiation sources, whether it's coming from your refrigerator or your TV, or in fact turning on the microwave. Now those radiation sources might not be dangerous to you if you are at a normal distance away. Obviously the further away you are the safer, and the less the electromagnetic frequency radiates. So in regards to those said devices, some of them might be pushing out up to 1000 mGs depending on how far away you are from that device. Yeah, at first it does sound a bit scary, but with this EMF reader, it will now enable you to place your TV at a safe distance, place your modem in a secure place on your window ledge away from your head, and also adjust your microwave within your kitchen to a better preferred location. Yeah, I suppose you can use this EMF reader to locate wires in your wall. That is if you're thinking about putting screws into your plasterboard. But as basic EMF readers go, I would certainly advise anyone that's looking to get one of these little gadgets to take time to look at the instructions provided. Yeah, the user guide isn't the greatest, and if you just simply turn it on and point this reader around, you may initially get a bit panicked at what the reader picks up. So yes, just take on the instructions, have a bit of patience, and just bear in mind that this EMF reader, when you're placing it towards those gadgets such as your modem, your TV or refrigerator, that meter reading will basically give you a reference to what your appliances are doing within your home and what type of radiation they're indeed pushing out. So if you're looking to place your devices in safe places, get one of these 3-in-1 electromagnetic field detectors, and right now they're coming in with a 20% discount. At the moment it retails at just £56 with that discount. That is 67, yes, in US dollars. But you know what, has actually anyone got this particular product already? If you have, please let us know in the video description down below your experience with it. Now I will be back guys with some more real quick reviews in the next few days, so stay tuned to this channel. Please like and share this video wherever possible, but most importantly please subscribe just now. Bearing in mind though to hit that bell notification option, so you guys will stay updated on our very next upload. Now it has been fascinating this particular week, reviewing some tech that we're not really used to, and we hope to be back doing our usual tech reviews in the next few days, so stay tuned to those videos. I want to thank you all for watching this week, and as usual, I hope you all stay safe. Peace!